In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up dependencies in Monday.com. This powerful feature can significantly enhance your project management by allowing you to establish relationships between different tasks, ensuring a smoother workflow and timely completion of projects. First, open up your web browser and head over to Monday.com. If you're not already logged in, locate and click on the Login button, typically situated at the top right corner of the page. For convenience, you can log in using your Google account. This method is secure and speeds up the process for those who use Google on a regular basis. Once you've successfully logged in, focus your attention on the left panel where you'll see options for navigating different parts of the platform. From here, navigate to your specific board. It's in this area where all your project's elements will be structured and displayed. Now, with your board open, you'll want to locate and click on your table. This is essentially where your tasks and their associated details are listed. Now is a good time to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already, as understanding this space will help you in managing your tasks efficiently. Moving on to the heart of today's lesson, adding dependencies. On the far right of your table, you'll notice a plus icon. Click this to add a new column. A search bar will appear as part of this process, and you'll want to type in the word dependency. This search will help you quickly find the feature you're looking for among the many options available. Once you've located the dependency option in the search results, click on it. Doing so will initiate the setup process for dependencies in your table. You'll then be asked to choose your desired dependency mode. This mode allows you to define how tasks are interlinked and will influence how your team's workflow is managed. It's important to select a mode that best matches your project's needs. After selecting the appropriate mode, you'll need to choose a specific column to use for item dependencies. Consider the structure and requirements of your project as you make this choice. It's all about finding a setup that aligns perfectly with your management style and project goals. Lastly, remember to click Save. This crucial step ensures all your changes are set and ready to be utilized by you and your team. With these steps completed, you've now successfully laid the groundwork for using dependencies in Monday.com. By following these steps, you can elevate your project management skills and keep your team aligned. Thanks for joining me today, and happy managing with Monday.com.